Hey there, Health family. Welcome back to another episode where we explore natural ways to boost your health and vitality. Today, we're diving into the tropical goodness of soursop. Also known as graviola or guanabana, this fruit isn't just delicious, it's packed with amazing health benefits. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome health tips. So, what makes soursop a superfood? Well, it's loaded with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, B vitamins, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. These nutrients work together to power your body in so many ways. Here's a quick breakdown. Vitamin C supports your immune system and fights oxidative stress. B vitamins keep your energy levels up and your metabolism running smoothly. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. Magnesium is great for muscle, nerve, and bone health. Fiber aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Let's talk benefits. Did you know the antioxidants in soursop help combat oxidative stress? That means your cells stay protected and your risk of chronic diseases is reduced. And the high fiber content? Say goodbye to digestive woes. It helps keep things moving smoothly. But wait, there's more. Immune boosting. Thanks to its vitamin C, soursop strengthens your body's defenses against infections. Got aches and pains? Soursop's natural compounds may help reduce inflammation. Its potassium content helps balance sodium levels, which can lower your blood pressure. The vitamins and antioxidants work wonders for your complexion, reducing signs of aging and promoting healthy, glowing skin. Now, here's a hot topic. Preliminary studies suggest that soursop contains bioactive compounds like acetogenins, which may inhibit the growth of cancer cells in lab settings. Pretty incredible, right? But remember, while this research is promising, it's still ongoing, so always consult with a healthcare professional for advice. Soursop contains certain compounds that may support brain health. Acetogenins. These compounds have neuroprotective properties, potentially safeguarding brain cells from damage. B vitamins support the production of neurotransmitters, which are essential for brain function and mood regulation. Traditionally, soursop has been used in some cultures to combat infections and parasites. Its antimicrobial compounds have been found effective against certain types of bacteria and fungi, although more research is needed to confirm these benefits in modern settings. Soursop is a staple in traditional medicine across many cultures. For example, in the Caribbean, soursop leaves are brewed into teas to help with sleep and relaxation. In South America, extracts from soursop leaves, bark, and roots have been used to reduce fever and promote healing. In Southeast Asia, soursop is sometimes used as a natural remedy for digestive issues. These practices highlight soursop's versatility and its integration into holistic healing approaches. Some people use soursop tea as a rinse to add shine to their hair. The pulp can be applied topically as a natural face mask to rejuvenate the skin. Eczema relief. Anecdotal evidence suggests that applying soursop juice to affected areas may help soothe skin irritation. Soursop's unique flavor, which combines sweet and tangy notes, makes it a versatile ingredient. Soursop's creamy texture is perfect for frozen desserts. Use soursop juice for tropical-inspired drinks. Soursop can be cooked down into spreads. In some cuisines, it's used to enhance stews and sauces. The tree's flowers are fragrant and are sometimes used to make perfumes. The scientific name of soursop is Annona muricata. The fruit's spiky green skin can be deceiving. Inside, it's soft, white, and utterly delicious. Soursop seeds are not edible and should be removed before eating. There are so many ways to enjoy soursop. You can eat it fresh, blend it into a refreshing smoothie, sip on some soothing soursop tea, or even use it topically for skincare. Just remember to consume it as part of a balanced diet for the best results. Alright, Health fam, that's it for today's episode. What do you think of soursop? Have you tried it before? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use a health boost, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.